In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood strut supports on an Audi Q7 2007 model. As you can see, mine don't support the hood at all, so the hood just falls down. So first things first, prop your hood so it doesn't fall while you're doing it, while you're placing the shocks. Take a screwdriver, pop the bottom end first, this, then do the same thing on the top. Now carefully remove the shock. Take your new shock and install it. Start from the bottom. And that's it. Now you have your new shock is installed. Now we do a test try. That's it. Thanks for watching.